Hey everyone, welcome to the SIG Node CI meeting on July 9th, 2025. Today, we don't have any agenda, so we can kick right off with triage, starting off with tests. So test board has some flakes being reported, so let's dig into those. Weird, not sure what's up with this one. Like it just didn't come out. Let's continue to watch that. Maybe it was just the infrastructure flake or something. CPU manager tests are weird. These are failing. These are new tests, though. So something I know Francesco added some refactoring might have caused that. I'm not sure if we have a bug for that.
Hey, hello. Yes, it's my fault. I also have a fix in review.
Amazing. And we're good.
And disclosure, the root cause is an embarrassing rebase mistake on my side. So apologies, folks, for
Hey,
the noise.
that's okay. We all make mistakes. Good thing you found it. Okay, so moving on to yeah, these are weird. Has anyone from the container D side seen these? Like these tests fully not coming up. It's like you for a little bit, a couple days. They run quite frequently, so that's something to look at and think about. Maybe I'll open a bug for that. I don't know if these are actually really running. There's so few. Yeah, so a lot of these are kind of in a weird state right now. I don't know. Let's look at them recently. Might pick a bug for it. Cryo tests. Yeah, so I know about the eviction ones. I was trying to debug them. No luck so far. I haven't had any time this week, but I was looking last week. These resource managers, I bet that this is the same. Yeah, so we know about these, so that's okay. And I'm aware of the eviction, the serial test. Oh, this should be fixed. This is fixed in upstream cryo, but we have to bump the version, so I have to remember to do that. That'll be fine there. So these are the same. Okay, so besides, we only have known issues there, so that's good. 2 of the 3 are in the process of being fixed. Same here. Eviction test, funky. Everything else looks okay. Some flakiness. I think that these are the same as the container D ones. Okay. Yeah. Kind of weird, but not terrible. Maybe open a bug for the identity problems and update the cryo version. They fix those issues. Okay. We can move on to the test board. Yeah, so this does look like a bug, so I will accept this. PR that needs review. Been reviewed. Let's see. It looks like it's yeah. Okay. Allocation manager ad hoc. This is a good yes, merge conflict. Okay. Oh, Virginia here. Pod level resources. Okay, we have an end-to-end test for adding. It's in draft. I guess I'll move this to getting on author. Let's see, it's reviewer. This one, getting on author. And more comprehensive test cases. Cool. We're looking okay there. I think this is technically waiting on author, though it probably is going to be done. Oh, this actually might be, I don't know. Yeah, this is actually a code change, so I'm going to take it off of this. Okay.
I was sorry, I'm late. I was taking a look at a couple of these. I don't have the approval rights for this one. There is an option. We could always move these to be more node focused, and then like I think it's going to require someone at top level approvals for this.
That's, I think, okay. I think we can just put it to the approver, and maybe folk like Tim's is often really responsive on these types of things.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's one of the reasons we ran into some stock unavailability issues with the N1 standard. So I think moving to E2 makes sense to me here. I don't know if I would have done it for everything from the first start, but whatever. It is what it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we need someone from Test Infra or because to make sure that the like cost difference won't like be huge.
Yeah, and if you click on that issue, there was already a discussion with Mohammed and Ben on why switching to E2 is fine. I think their idea was that, yeah. Oh yeah, he does call out the scale test. Forgot about that. Anyway, I think it's in the right place now.
Yeah, cool. All right, thank you. Pod resize test. Yeah, so this one. I can take a look at this one. I've been following it. I'm already a signee, so I'll just say it is.
I haven't really followed this. Is there not really a feature change if we're changing this conversion, or is this all contained in the container runtime?
No, basically an underlying, like the library that the kubelet and the container runtime share changed the conversion. The kubelet specific pieces we like can account for because the code changed at the same time, but the problem is when the container runtime, like it has two different in support calculations, and we're sort of like we're assuming one kind of calculation is happening when it's actually the other. So this test update basically needs to count for both until the old one is deprecated. So we did not have a feature change for it. And I think you can get away with that. It would be kind of tricky to, yeah, I mean, I had the thought that maybe we should have information to bubble up to the kubelet about it, but I think that would get complicated. So I think we just like, the nice thing is the way that CPU weight works, it's only relative to the C group's peers. So as long as all of the sibling C groups are set the same way, then like we're fine. And in this case, they are, because the kubelet sets the pod level C group, the container runtime support sets the container level C group. So we shouldn't need to do any complicated version tracking or anything. But yeah, I'll take a look at this again. I think it should be in needs reviewer. It did. Okay, manually writing resize patches for pod resize EDs. Yep. So there's a new. Oh, we got it reviewed. We're approved. So we're gonna merge soon. So
I think it's approved because Tim was the author. I don't know if we wanted to have someone else review it or if it's fine. Sorry, approve it.
yeah, I don't know what the convention is. I mean, typically, I think the approver status sort of gives you that. So I don't know, Tim, if you wanted more eyes on it.
I don't think we need more eyes on this. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think if we wanted to require additional approval for approvers, we probably would code that into the system. But yeah, I think Natasha's probably the most qualified to review this anyway.
All right, that sounds fine with me.
Great. more. Remount required on terminating pods. This looks like a code change. That's a lot of fear around it. Oh, but it's not even, okay, so I guess, oh, because it's, I think this is kind of more, well, it's both storage and auth, but I don't think it's really, I think we can archive it from this board. This is your fix. Great. Take a look at it. It looks strictly, yeah, mostly big testing, I would say. I don't necessarily think we need to hack it. Off eviction. All improvements.
I am on this one. I think I'm waiting for the lanes to pass again and then, oh, or not. I think, well, I wanted to approve and look with me. I have authority on the node team. So, okay, and just go with it.
Perfect.
And this is the V1 compatibility we talked about in a couple weeks ago or so. Sergey pointed out we will need some V1 compatibility. Turns out it's easier, way easier than expected. So yeah, once the fix is merged, I would like to have this one. And then we can remove the old stuff and we are done.
You can assign it to me. I'll try to review this one. Yeah, SW, yeah, no, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati. All right. Ooh, your assignment should take pressure. And this is still waiting on author. I will. Also waiting on author. I guess this is less of a, oh well, let's clean up. Yeah, this is just cleaning up. This is more of a big testing thing, so anyone here can take a look at it if they want. All right. What a pretty board. Okay. A couple more minutes on this stuff. Let's make sure that all of the waiting on authors are still indeed waiting on authors. So this looks like it's in approval state. One needs approver. Yeah, the testing looks good. I'm not sure when it was set to being on author, but I think that this could be changed here. Okay, we definitely need waiting on author here. This is big rebase. I think we can leave with DRA health status there. We just decided that. Approve allocator. Okay, this seems about ready. Merge conflict. That's been untouched for a little bit. So waiting also. Yeah, so these haven't been updated in a while, I think. So I mean, I guess they're still there, but. Okay. Drafts, so probably a bunch of drafts. This one actually might be ready. Does anyone want to take a look at this one? Okay. Failures. Looks like it's being reviewed, but we have approval. So yeah, we just need a review, I think. This one we already looked at, right? Nope, we didn't. Yeah, so this also needs a review. Okay. Great. All right, that's that. Moving on to, anyone want to do bug triage? Take over me. Help me out. Okay, I will continue on. Not too many though. That's pretty good. Would you look at that? Okay. Oh yeah, right, okay, we talked about this last week. I think we should be in news information. See if there's any. Photo probe only starting after period seconds. Reaction delay seconds is lower than period seconds. Right, this is now a support ticket, so I think we can leave it. Good. Main container never starts with restart policy, never. Sidecar container has a fire probe and fails first attempt. Okay. This looks like it could be legit. So I do wonder if anyone who has more experience with sidecars knows. Maybe I leave this in triage and we wait till we get to see.
Or you could just assign it to Sergey to triage.
Cool. All right, that is okay. Let's see if we have any needs information that need updating, but it's just the bot. We also, it's an old one. This is also, I would say, not a, this kind of feature. Okay, cool. Oh, did we talk? Yes. Okay. So this needs a retriage now. Okay. Anyone want to take a look at this one?
Yeah, I would like to. I can't say when, but I would like to.
Yeah.
Yes. Hopefully,
Thank
as
you.
soon as possible. Thank you.
The start is never executed. Yeah, still needs information. Okay, so now we're caught up basically with the last week, so I don't think that it's anything is out yet. Okay, cool. So so that is it for triage. Pretty good. Did anyone have anything else they wanted to look at?
I guess, Peter, there was one bug around user namespaces in Cryo. I think I called out. I was wondering whether or not is a fix for that on your radar, because the test is still failing.
Yep, I haven't. I have. You might have missed the beginning of the. I saved this this tab to update the Cryo build. It's fixed in upstream Cryo. We just haven't updated the Cryo build yet.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Yeah, sorry, I missed the beginning. Yeah, all right, that sounds good. And I think the other one, we have a fix going on for that C group freeze stuff. There's a flake happening, and I think it looks like someone opened a PR in that lib C groups. So hopefully we'll have a fix for that one soon.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. So yeah, hopefully the crowd test will sort of clear out the flake-wise pretty soon. That's eviction ones, which I was looking at last week and still need to continue to look at. They're still we're failing outright. Okay. Anything else anyone wanted to bring up? Great. Thank you everyone for joining. See you next week.